Hey there. Last month, the team at Landing AI was busy creating some exciting features, so hold on tight as I unveil them one by one. We're thrilled to announce the opening of Landing AI's first course, Landing Lens Computer Vision Fundamentals. The education team at Landing AI crafted this course to provide you with expert insights, interactive lessons, and tutorial videos. This course includes comprehensive modules that address crucial aspects, such as refining your computer vision use case and goals, project type selection, techniques to analyze and improve model performance, a comprehensive walkthrough of Landing Lens, and much more. You can sign up for free in the Landing AI community. Next, the newest version of Landing Lens gives you more flexibility across the board. Here's the list of new Landing Lens features. We're proud to introduce a new way to deploy models using Docker. This new deployment offering enables DevOps users to integrate the model inference programmatically and scale deployments quickly. You can now upload images to your projects directly from your smartphone. The platform now supports the MPO file type. There's a new role called Owner. Owners have all the permissions as admins, plus they have the ability to change member roles. If you delete a project, the credits used on that project are now easier to track on the usage board. And finally, you can now create a new project based on any dataset. That's all for now. We'll see you next time.